This is the home screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of template and a lot of features which you can use. You also have the remove background option. You have IG story post which you can post. Some of them you may see a pro icon over them. You can need subscription to use those templates, and as you can see here, quite a lot of templates. You can also go ahead and create your own templates, as you can see here, whether it be YouTube cover, Facebook post, and Facebook cover as well, and there's some other edits here as well. So also you have some Christmas or holiday templates which you can use, as you can see here, for Thanksgiving as well. Although Thanksgiving is gone, but you have some other templates which you can use for postcards and so forth. A lot of things, guys. And at the top here, you can pretty much search for what you want. So pretty much get the remove or generate background feature here. You have to get the pro subscription. So well, as you can see here in this little photo here, and you can take a picture of a product or anything, and it will give you a nice background that fits that product. So that's basically the generate background feature, but will require a pro subscription. So let's say you're going to edit a image or anything like that. All you have to do is tap on the add photo, select the photo, any photo that's within the gallery, and it will pretty much remove the background. As you can see here, it will show an ads. Just tap on the X and you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the background that I've removed for the image, and it will show up here, and also it will show up down here once I've removed the background, and I can either select any one of these that I can use. All I have to do is tap on whichever one I want. Let's say this one here. You can also edit it as well, or you can just go ahead and save it right away. So very easy application to use. And in the project section, you may also see some other photos or anything that you have created will pretty much be over here. So at the top here, this is where you pretty much tap on the pro option. Here you can see all the pro subscription prices and everything. They also offer a lifetime subscription, which is pretty much, let's say $60 or $55, and a monthly subscription down here as well, and what to be getting. So very good application as it relates to removing a background and so forth. And they do also, once you have added an image, you pretty much will see it all over the template section. As you can see here, they are all over the template section, so you can easily use these templates. Let's say, for example, you want to use a Christmas one, be easily able to use these templates, as you can see here. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And if I miss anything at all, please comment below, and I would gladly love to help you out. See you in the next one.